Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add Venmo to Wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of mobile payments, adding Venmo to your digital wallet can streamline your transactions, making peer-to-peer money transfers faster and more secure. Whether you're using an iPhone with Apple Wallet or an Android device with Google Wallet, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Venmo installed on your phone. Open the Venmo app and head to the Settings menu. Look for the Wallet or Payments section. Here, you'll find an option to link your Venmo account to a digital wallet. Tap on that, and it might prompt you to select your wallet provider, like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Next, on your device's wallet app, go to the Add Card or Add Account feature. You'll need to scan a QR code or enter a code provided by Venmo to authorize the connection. This is a security step, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Once authorized, Venmo will sync with your wallet, allowing you to use it for quick payments. Don't forget to verify your identity if prompted. This could involve a quick fingerprint scan or entering a code sent to your email. In 2025, many wallets now support biometric authentication for added protection. If you run into any issues, like an error message, try restarting your app or checking for updates. And there you have it. You're all set to use Venmo seamlessly with your wallet. This feature is a game changer for everyday purchases, from splitting bills with friends to online shopping. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.